Senior pastors and church leaders, let me ask you a question. What is the one area of your ministry that you can't control, but you can influence? The one area of your ministry that, if handled incorrectly, can end your ministry effective immediately. Congregational trust. Without the trust of your congregation, there is no ministry happening at your church. And trust is at an all-time high in the hiring process. What happens if you hire incorrectly? You hire the wrong person for the job. You run the risk of splitting the congregation in two, or even worse, damaging someone's walk with the Lord and their view of God's institutionalized church. Here at worshipconsulting.com, it is our job to help you hire well. We walk with you through the process as we seek God's man for your church. Our process is individualized to your congregation and to your congregation's need. So click the link below to find out more and how we can partner together to make sure that you worship well each and every Sunday.